Hi yogis, welcome to this morning yoga stretch that is going to be very gentle and it is for all levels. So when you're ready, meet me on the mat. Let's begin in a cross-leg position. And as you take a deep breath in, slowly roll your shoulders up towards your ears. And as you exhale, melt them down. Letting go of any tension in your body. Interlace your fingers and push your hands away from your chest as you round the spine and drop the chin. Feel the stretch in your upper body, and if you want a deeper stretch, you can move from side to side. Deepening the stretch on one side and then the other one. As you inhale, flip your palms and extend your arms overhead, opening the chest and gazing up. You can keep a small bend in your elbows if you want, and you can also move from side to side. And as you exhale, release your hands and turn to face one end of the mat. Hands behind, uncross your legs and place your feet more or less as wide as your mat. From here, start rotating your knees from side to side like a windshield wiper. You can go at your own rhythm and try your best to keep your spine straight. Last time. Next time you drop your knees to your right, place the right ankle on top of the left thigh and look to the left. Notice the stretch in your hips and your neck. And stay focused on your breath. Breathing in through your nose. And out either through your nose or mouth. Come back to center. Extend the left leg. Place the right foot outside of the left thigh. And as you inhale, extend the left arm up. With an exhale, twist to the right and hug the right leg. The right hand is behind for support. And you can stay here if you want, or if you want a deeper stretch. You can inhale, lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, gaze over the right shoulder. Try to not force your body into the twist. If your body is still waking up, just give it time to open up. Come back to center. And now let's switch sides. Hands behind, feet are as wide as the mat, and then drop the knees to the left. Place the left ankle on top of the right thigh and look to the right. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Go back to center. Extend the right leg and place the left foot outside of the right thigh. On your next inhale, extend the right arm over your head. As you exhale, twist to the left and hug the left leg. Left hand is behind for support. And as you take an inhale, lengthen the spine. And with an exhale, gaze over the left shoulder. You can close your eyes if you want. And focus on the sensations in your body. Go back to center. Bend both knees. Place your hands behind your thighs and roll all the way down to the mat. Bring your feet together for a reclined butterfly, and you have a few options as to where to place your hands. You can place your hands on your inner thighs or on your belly. You can also place one hand on your belly and the other one on your heart. Or the last option is to place your hands on the floor. Whatever feels more comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in and out, either through your nose or mouth. Try to relax as much as you can. And take this moment to enjoy the last minutes for yourself on the mat. Set an intention as to how you want to feel the whole day. Do you want to feel joyful? Do you want to feel extremely happy? Or do you just want to feel at peace? Bring your knees together, move to the right side, and come up into a seated position. Take an inhale, extend your arms over your head. Try to reach for the sky. And as you exhale, relax and place your hands on your knees. Thank you for being part of this class, and if you enjoyed this session, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.